Getting your new HVAC employee up to speed fast means breaking down those techie concepts into easy bites they can actually use on the job. So, start by chopping the tricky stuff into basics, like explaining what each tool does before jumping into how to use it. Use real-life examples on site. Showing how a thermostat works in the actual system makes it stick better than just talking about it. Don't overload them all at once. Space out the info and revisit key ideas during different tasks so things click over time. Encourage questions and keep the vibe chill so they feel comfortable saying, "I don't get this yet." Mix in some hands, on work early, even if it's simple stuff like changing filters or checking wiring, so they feel involved and not just stuck in theory. Share stories about common problems and how you fix them. That helps connect the dots between book smarts and real work. Use analogies they can relate to, like comparing airflow to water flowing through pipes, which makes the science less scary. Lastly, give feedback that's clear and kind. It's all about building confidence, not pressure. One of the biggest mistakes in teaching HVAC newbies is dumping too much jargon and complex theory without showing practical use that just leaves them lost and overwhelmed. Fix this by breaking info into bite-sized chunks tied to on-site tasks. Another common issue is not revisiting concepts enough. If you only explain something once, it rarely sticks. Make sure to loop back on lessons during different jobs to reinforce learning. A third problem is skipping hands-on experience early on, leaving new employees feeling disconnected from the work. Let them handle small, real tasks right away, so they build skills and confidence bit by bit. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local HVAC contractors without the hassle of endless searching. It also hooks up contractors with real customers looking for their exact skills, making it easier to grow their business.